on for dear life.
At least I think this is safe. Hey!
I'm recording this so I get to relive the moment. Like, have you ever wanted to do that before?
Yeah.
Like, you just, I am.
Like go skydiving
And then you just want to like, oh, that's fun. Oh yeah. We got our goodie bag, and we are making like a bandit. We're out of here.
You know people will laugh and point?
No, they won't.
Yeah, they will. They'll laugh in joy.
Well,
Laugh in joy because it's so funny.
if they start making fun of us, just trust
People
me.
make fun of us.
Trust me.
People actually think it's cool.
Yeah. So,
Look at the
pug. There's a pug. And that looks like Lexi.
Oh, that's another white dog.
That person kind of looked like Grace, which is the person at my school. Like, Look at us now.
See this car? See the red car?
Yeah.
That's a buddy of ours from our church.
Check out the old cars. Now, if I put my phone in,
The horse.
where's the horse? There's the horse. I just got hit in the face by something.
It's a leaf. Look, you got look around.
If only this was a 360 video.
What's that?
Like, it's like you get to look around like this, basically.
I want wait, what is it called?
Virtual
Virtual
reality.
reality.
Yeah.
I want it for Minecraft.
It doesn't work with that.
Yeah? They have a new one that does.
Really?
Yeah?
Like, it works?
Yeah.
Like,
You see your hands in Minecraft.
really?
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen that. Is it the thing with the little button things?
Yeah.
The things that where you can get Job Simulator? That set?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen that before. If we pull this thing down, we're gonna fall off and die.
Bubba!
Hey, Bubba.
No, don't want to drive.
Wait. Y'all, my cousin's driving now. We're gonna die. Hey, it was nice knowing y'all. Thanks for subscribing to my channel.
I'll take it over.
No, you're not, because you're gonna be dead too. He's gonna kill us both. Wait, where'd he go?
That way.
Oh, there it is. Is this just for a picture or is this legit? Oh, this is legit. Oh boy.
He's a good driver.
My cousin. Oh!
What? He's a good driver.
Well, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was. He's okay.
This gets a lot of laughing. This is laughing.
Way out. Look at this.
Look, look at this. Look at the John Deere.
This is legit. My cousin is driving. Why can't I be driving? I'm a good driver, but so is Mick. Okay, here we go. I'm going to my point of view again.
Are you driving it up?
What happened? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Okay. Right over.
Uh-oh. Like I'm stuck. Hold on, wait.
How was that going?
That was interesting. I got another one vlog.
Not as terrifying as you thought, was it?
Man, you're a pretty good driver. GG.